turn left.
So I'm in search of the artist house right now. Let's go take a walk and look for the artist house. Oh, that way?
Left.
Uh-huh.
Walk away, you can see the place at the cotton bridge.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Yeah, we got the locals telling me where it is. Yeah. So we took a MRT, and then I saw one of the videos. I can't remember whose video it was, but you could walk across like for 13 minutes. But I've been getting drunk every night, so yeah, I don't have that kind of energy right now. But this is what it is around here at the moment. Oh shit, what am I talking about? Okay, so here we are. I think I'm supposed to, I'm gonna have to make a left somewhere up here. I'm not sure. You know? Open up. Yeah, that lady just pointed out to, like, the minute she saw me make the wrong turn, she pointed out straight, I think, because I think she see a lot of people come here and, okay, I see the bridge, but there's a motorcycle, or, okay. I spilled the noodle. Okay, so I am here. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, there is good news, because the canal the canal boat thing is right there, so I'm gonna catch that to go back. Yeah, so wow, this is pretty this is actually pretty cool, the canal. I think I'm gonna get on the canal boat ride, because I think I could probably get a better view of. Oh, that's a big old fish. Man, there's a lot of fish. Yeah, let me go and see what other places got going on. That's like a boat restaurant. I don't know. I mean, I think that's what they call it. Yeah, this I like this type of place. This is a very, I mean, don't listen to me. Half the time I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Yeah, you guys gotta come see this place for yourself, and then put it into words, because I don't think, but it is very cool. Hello, by Diamond Cup. So this is what it looks like inside. So I'm not sure this is the artist house or what. I mean, is this what it is? But I know it's in this area, because usually it's a artist house. Oh, so that's a boat. They got different type of boat. We all just walking in line, filming. All of us. Oh, that's a catfish. Let me see if I try to feed these catfish so see if I can get them to come up. But this is a cool spot. I think people live here, and then they also like make a little shop here too. Oh, and there come. I'm buying this this fish food. I'm buying this fish food, and I'm gonna go feed the fish. Try to feed the fish. See. Oh. Yeah. All right, here we go. Man, that's a lot of them.
Wow.
Oh, that's crazy. Let me see. That's a lot of fish in here. Yeah. Yeah, so the cruise boat's going by. Some people are filming, and I'm filming them. They film me, I film them. That's just how it works. Yeah, there is a lot of fish. I'm gonna buy a little bit more and see what happens. Try to feed some more fishes. But I wonder how long this place been here. Just looking at the building. Some of them look a little bit newer, or that or just got upgraded. Walk down there. I never finished what I'm talking about, huh? Welcome to my channel. Let's go. Yeah, so this whole thing is above the water.
เพราะว่าไม่ได้ไปพัทยาเป็นคนบอกว่าไปเที่ยวทะเลแล้วน้องพี่จอยอยู่น้องรักไม่รวยนะเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวผมมาแล้วไม่นับซะ
So I Oh, what is this place? Oh, okay. I would like take a selfie or video of myself right now, but I'm sweating. Okay, I found my spot. Oh, it's just another bridge. We keep going to another section. I think they building, adding more. Yeah, you got to see the buildings. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. I mean, this is one of those places. Come Thailand, you want to just take some time out and, you know what I mean, on vacation, and just come see places like this. Yeah, he's pretty amazing. But I'm gonna feed me some more fish. Yeah, after walking around, I'm hot, so I'm just gonna chill here and try to see if I can feed some of these fishes to get these fishes to come up. Oh, they're not hungry. Yeah, fishy. A lot of fishes there. Yep, they're all here now. Yeah, fishy. Oh, shit. Look, getting real close. All right. All right, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys next clip. Maybe I walk back and see something else interesting. I'll get some more. Okay. Yeah, just gotta be careful walking through here. Make sure you don't drop your phone or anything. We are close to the temple. We got tell a taxi to come get it. This is where you could pick up on the boat cruise. And man, this was just tripping me out. Yeah, get on the boat cruise. Right here. I don't know. It's a taxi boat. I don't know how much it is. But yeah, it's one of those cruises where they take you it's pretty awesome. They take you to see the Buddha, the big Buddha. I'm not sure that's the proper name for it, okay? But it's just a big Buddha. Like when we on our way here, we could see it. Like it's higher than a lot of towers. A lot of tall buildings. This is a temple. I'm not sure what the name of this temple is. But alright, I'm gonna end the video here and talk to you guys later.